It's Fela from AnyHouseCleaning.com, and we are cleaning sliding door glass windows in this house in and out because she already put the Christmas tree, but she wants to put the decorations and she wants to see that the glass is good. The first step, we vacuum with this little vacuum all the reels and remove cobwebs around the windows. Then we clean by hand the frames to remove any kind of dirt, grime. Sometimes we use a microfiber cloth, or sometimes we use even a magic eraser. We start from top to bottom, cleaning the top frame, and then the sides, and then the bottom and the reel. Then we use our sponge for the windows, our brand, Anger. And you can call us at 407-572-4118 in case that you need our services.
Yeah, got it.
We are located in Central Florida, Davenport, Champions Gate. Most of the time we work as a team, and this is the brand that we use, the Anger bucket on belt. This is the sponge sleeve for the window, and then this squeegee. The squeegee that is right here, that is Anger too. Okay? Any questions? Please call us at 407-572-4118 for estimates or any kind of advice.